Hi everyone! Today with me I have this double sliding bathroom cabinet. It comes in a pack of two and this is only one of them, and let me show you how much space and room you can have with this. So over here on the bottom you have a sliding drawer. You can't even see how much product is in there. You'll see it in just a moment, but keep in mind that you have so much space and it's going to save you so much time when organizing and looking for things. So as you can see, this one also slides out and you can see how much products are down there. They really thought about everything with this product. You have 4 sets of little hooks over here on the side where you can hang anything you need, and 2 cups right there, and this is just one of them. Again, you get a whole other one with 2 sliding drawers and the same hooks and the same cups. So keep in mind, you can use this in your laundry room, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, anywhere where you need to organize stuff. This is the product for you. This is great. I really like it. It is an amazing product. So let me take everything off so I can show you guys it sideways. Alright, you guys, with all the products out, this is what it looks like. It is incredible and so spacious. As you can see, you have the hooks down the side and the cups on the other side as well. They are easily removable and easy to clean. As you can see, they also have holes in them, which makes drainage so simple and easy. And of course, it slides in and out. So let me show you guys how much product I can put into this thing. So take a look at this. We have one of the drawers down here, and we are be using this for our kitchen. So I have a couple stainless steel cleaner, oven easy off cleaners, and all those products that are usually taking so much space in our kitchen, but not anymore. Take a look at this, you guys. I have still so much space here at the front. I'm going to be pushing this in a little bit so you guys can see more, and take a look at that. I filled it and I still have so much space. I can put on gloves there, I can put in this natural cleaner, and I can even use this for a sponge. And I only took one drawer up. I still have the entire top one as well. I still have the hooks, I still have the cup. Guys, this is a must-have product. Do not walk to get this, run, because this is an amazing life-changing organization product. 10 out of 10.